So they felt heavy. I had to weigh it there to see, about 87 pounds. This is the driver's rear. There's the driver's middle. And the driver front. Yeah, this one feels pretty good. Yeah, that one's alright. It's a lot easier to do this when it's not hanging half off the truck. But they're pretty heavy duty. This looks to be almost like a composite material. This is not steel. That might be a little easier, I think, maybe to get your traction on. But the rest of it is powder coated. Pretty nice step. So here we are. This is the passenger side. We got the rear bracket. You can see how that's supposed to go. We've got the middle bracket. We've got the front bracket. So basically, this one faces, this is the only one facing the rear on the passenger side, meaning this part of the bracket, both of these face front, as you can see. Middle bracket towards the front on this partition. And here's how they look on this side. Pretty nice stuff. Again, pardon the dirty truck, but they're on. All told, it helps to have a lift and another person. Even then, it took us, I don't know, maybe an hour, hour and a half to get them on right.